What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Fantom, guys. We had a bit of a fake out of a breakout from our last video here, but we're having a nice little breakout right now. So we're sitting at $1.12. We're down about 5% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 2.84 billion, 24-hour volume, 621 million. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 1 hour time frame. So we had our breakout, but unfortunately it was a fake out. Bitcoin rolled over and of course pulled Fantom down with it. But we continued to see our bullish divergence, which signifies to us that the bulls are regaining strength here, and we've had a breakout from our bottom here. We've broken out basically about 18%. Now, I have been dollar cost averaging with low leverage, so I'll explain that a little bit. So I used 3x leverage, and when we had our fake out, I re-entered Fantom at 115 with a quarter of my position. I entered with another quarter at $1.08, another quarter at $1.02, and I had one more quarter down at 93 cents. So when all of those limit buys hit, it brought my average price down, and I've been riding the slingshot back up and been making some good profits. So that's a little trading strategy you can use. If you'd like to learn to trade with leverage, check out Bybit, my full link tutorial. Receive up to $600 in bonuses. So currently we're hitting some resistance on the 55 EMA. And then your next target and where I'll be looking to take some profits here is up at 115. I'll probably take about 50% off the table and see where we can go from here. Because of course we're still in a downtrend. So what can happen is we come up, we hit resistance, we roll over, and we come back down to these levels of support, $1.08, $1.02, 93. And I'll drop in this one as well, down at about 82 cents. If I put it onto the 4 hour time frame for Fantom, you can see it was a previous swing low. So here on the 4 hour, you can see the 20 EMA is coming down. It also lines up with that $1.15. That's why I'll be looking to take some profits at that level. However, guys, if we do push through and we see a full recovery, we get back above the 20 EMA, back above the 55, your levels of resistance, $1.29, $1.34, $1.35 and $1.44. Now, of course, keep your eye on Bitcoin. We are underneath this head and shoulders. So unless we see a throwback, what can happen is we see continuation down to this technical target, taking Fantom with it. But we do have our bullish divergence. If we see a throwback, we get back above the neckline, we could see continuation back to the upside. So that's basically it for Fantom. Your levels of resistance, $1.15 and then $1.29. And then if we do roll over here, if we get rejected by the EMAs, do target $1.08, $1.02, 93 cents and 82 cents as your levels of support. And you could also dollar cost average into your trade with low leverage if you would like to. Just a little strategy I've been trying out. It's been working well. All right, guys, that's it for Fantom. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.